Hello everyone, I am Dr. M.K. Devre, Professor and Head Department of Physics. On behalf of KTHM College and Department of Physics, I welcome to all of you. Students, Department of Physics is one of the well-known and reputed department in Savitribai Phule Pune University. Our department was established in 1969. Our department having the undergraduate and the postgraduate center. Our department also having the PhD center recognized by Savitribai Phule Pune University. Our department is recognized as a star department under the DBT scheme, and we have received 8,04,786 rupees of the grant from the Department of Biotechnology. Also, our department is a DST fee sponsored department, and we have received the 4,73,336 rupees of the grant from the Department of the Science and Technology under the FEAST program. Our department having the solar power system with the generation of 1 kilowatt of the energy, and we are using this generated electricity in our laboratories. Our department having the ICT enabled classroom. Students, the quality of the education in the department and the status of the department depends upon the laboratory infrastructure. Our department having the 8 laboratories, including the 3 general laboratories, the 1 computer laboratory, the 3 research laboratories, including the thin film research laboratory, material science laboratory, the spray pyrolysis laboratory, and 1 energy laboratory. Students, the general laboratories are very spacious and well equipped. These 3 laboratories are very useful to conduct the practicals at the undergraduate and the postgraduate level. The equipments in the laboratories, such as the milk and soil drop method apparatus, the ultrasonic interferometer apparatus, the GM counter, ESR apparatus, helium neon laser apparatus, optical fiber kit, cathode ray oscilloscope, function generators, spectrometers, and like this. Our department having the 23 computers, out of which the 30 computers are in our computer laboratories. These are 13 computers having the broadband internet connectivity. Our department also having the smart LCD projector, the multifunctional scanners, and the printers. Our department having the 3 research laboratories. These laboratories are well equipped, and these laboratories are very useful to do the research on material science, the solar cell and the research related with the physics. In these laboratories, the major equipments such as the reactor for the synthesis of the nanomaterial, spray pyrolysis unit, the digital weight balance, the magnetic stirrer with heater, the furnaces, the magnetic susceptibility apparatus, and like this here. Our department having the one energy lab which is very spacious and well equipped, in which there are the different types of the solar cookers, the solar dryer, the solar flat plate collectors, the solar photovoltaic panels, the solar water heater, solar water purifier, and like this. The energy lab is very useful to conduct the practicals based on the elective courses such as the energy studies at the undergraduate and the postgraduate level. This lab is also useful for the popularization of the solar energy among the college student also and the school students also. Our department also having the departmental library which having the books and the journals. Our departmental library having the 220 books including the textbook and the reference books also. We have the 6 subscription of the research journals. These journals are very useful to our research students. Our departmental library also having the periodicals such as the lab experiment, the electronics for you, and the future energy. These periodicals are very useful to select the project on the different topics for the TY-BSc student and the MSc students. The main objectives of the departments are making the physics learning interesting and fun, developing the vibrant culture in the students to understand the universe, promoting the research at UG and the PG levels. Students, you have taken the admission for the first year BSc. So you should know about the structure of the program also and the different programs run by our department. Our department conducting the 3 programs. One is at the undergraduate level, which is the BSc in physics, which having the duration of 3 years. Our college has started the BSc program in 1980. The total intake capacity at the first year BSc is 360, the second year BSc 240, and third year BSc 120. The second program is at the PG level, which is the MSc in physics, which having the duration 2 years. Our college has started the MSc program in 1989. The total intake capacity for the first year and the second year MSc is 24. The third program conducted by our department is the PhD in Physics, which having the duration of 3 years. Our college has started this program in 2008. Currently, there are 90 students registered for this program in our department, and the 15 students completed this program and awarded the PhD degree. Friends, you have taken the admission to this BSc program. So, you should know the course structure at the FY, SY and the TY level. Friends, Savitribai Phule Pune University has introduced the choice-based credit system for this BSc program. Our university has implemented the choice-based credit system for the first year BSc from the academic year 2019-20, for the SY BSc from the academic year 2020-21, and for the third year BSc from this academic year 2021-22. Friends, in this choice-based credit system, for every subject at the first year and the second year BSc, there are the 2 theory courses and 1 practical course for every semester. And in this choice-based credit system, the credit given to the theory course by the university is 2, and for the practical course, the weightage of the credit is 1.5. The examination pattern adopted in this choice-based credit system is a semester pattern, and the examination will be conducted at the end of every semester. The examination conducted for the every course for the 50 marks, including the internal and the external examination. The internal examination conducted for the 15 marks, and the internal examination is depends upon the internal evaluation, including the home assignment, the test on each chapter, oral, and the internal examination, which will be conducted by the department. The final examination for the 35 marks will be conducted by the Savitribai Phule Pune University at the end of the semester. Similarly, at the TYBSc level, there are 6 theory courses and the 2 skill-based courses are there. 2 practicals and 1 project for each semester. Similarly, in the TYBSc also, the credit for the theory course is 2, the credit for the practical course is 1.5. The examination pattern in the TYBSc is similar to the FY and the SYBSc. Friends, there is the flexibility in the curriculum design adopted by our Savitribai Phule Pune University. So due to this flexibility, the number of elective and the skill-based courses are given in a curriculum designed by the Savitribai Phule Pune University in TYBSc. For the better career opportunity, we have selected the job-oriented, the elective courses and the skill-based courses. The elective courses also having the 2 credit, and we have selected in our department the elective courses for the semester 1 and for the semester 2 are the astronomy and the astrophysics and the laser. And the skill-based courses we have selected for the semester 1 and the semester 2 are the introduction to the Arduino, the physics workshop skills, the application of the Internet of the Things, that is the IoT, and the microcontroller. Friends, our department having the 13 faculties, including the professor, associate professor, assistant professors, the teachers with the PhD degree, and also the postdoc degree also. Our department having the 2 MPhil research guide, the 4 PhD research guides, the 5 faculties qualifying the NET set examination, and the 8 teachers awarded the different awards from the various agencies. Our department having the highly qualified and experienced faculty members. Now these are our faculty members which having the highest qualification also, the well qualified and the well experienced. Friends, I have already told you that our department having the recognized research centers, and recently the 4 recognized research guides are working in our research center. Currently, the 19 students have registered for the PhD programs, and the 15 students awarded the PhD degree from our department. Our faculty members also contributed in the various research activities, such as the number of the paper publications, book writings, the paper presentation in the various conferences such as the international, national and the state level. Our faculty members also attended the 149 the conferences, workshops at the international, national and the state level. Our faculty members also contributed in the paper review process also. Friends, our department having the good academic result, and there is the consistency in the every academic year. Now this bar diagram shows that our department having the good results at the BSc level also and at the MSc level also. Now these are our toppers in the BSc program and in the MSc programs. Now we can see in this table the topper students obtain the highest marks above 90%. Friends, our department also having the university rank holders. Now there are the 17 rank holders from our department, university rank holders from our department out of the 16th rank holder from the BSc program and the one rank holder from the MSc program. Now these are the some students having the university rank shown in the table. Friends, in the every academic year, our students participated in the different in the different activities. One of the student, Sagar Patil, participated in the robo competition organized at the different universities such as the Parul University, Gujarat, BITS Pilani, the Nagpur and the Chandrapur, and he got the first prize at the different places also. One of that our student from TYBSc class, Aire Mayuri, participated in the state level essay competition and he got the first prize of rupees 5,000 from the government of Maharashtra. One of our student from the TYBSc class, Sweta Bhamre, she has participated in the different state level elocution competitions, the debate competitions, and she got the first prize or the third prize from the various colleges. Friends, our BSc and the MSc students also qualified the IIT JAM examination, the NET GATE examination and the SET examination. Now there are the 9 students are qualified the IIT JAM examination and obtained the admission for the higher education. There are the 8 students are qualified the NET and GATE examination. There are the 13 students from our department qualified the SET examination. Now these are the students who qualified the JAM examination and they obtained the admission for the higher education in the various universities, now such as the IIT Mumbai and the Savitribai Phule Pune University. Students, or the student from the BSc and the MSc class are participated in the Avishkar project competition organized by our Savitribai Phule Pune University. Now these are the number of students participated in the Avishkar project competition. Now there are the 7 students who participated in Mimasa competition, which was conducted by the ISER Pune. The Sweta Bhamre from the TY BSc Physics student participated in the Abhivakti program conducted by the MIT Pune. The Deshpande elocation competition, she got the second prize. Also the state level competition conducted by the MET Nasik, and she got the second prize. Also, she participated in the science quiz competition conducted by the Chalisgaon College, and she got the second prize. One of our students from the TY BSc and the MSc class, Sinha Poonam, she also participated in the various competitions and obtained the prize also. Now these are the number of our students who qualified the NET, SET and the GATE examination, and they are working as an assistant professor in the various colleges. Friends, one of our research student, Ganesh Patil, who was the DST Inspire. Our second student, Ajit Karanjikar, he is doing the PhD, and now he is getting a PhD fellowship from the Sarthi Pune government of the Maharashtra. Friends, our faculty members are also involved in the curriculum design, and also the member on the board of the study of the Yashwantrao Chauhan Maharashtra Open University, and also the member of the BOS in the Savitribai Phule Pune University. Our faculty members also received the various awards from the various agencies. Now these are the photographs our one of the faculty member, Dr. Jain, received the Best Teacher Award from the government of the Maharashtra and the Savitribai Phule Pune University. Myself, I received the Best Paper Presentation Award from the Indian Science Congress. I received the Best College Teacher Award by the Sarvajanik Vachanalaya, Nasik, and the Bhausaheb Hire Trust, Mumbai. Friends, nowadays it is necessary to know the recent activities related with the physics and the material science, we are providing a common platform to the student and our researchers to exchange their ideas about the physics and material science. Our department has conducted the international and the national conferences on the material science, the astronomy and the astrophysics. Our department also has conducted the workshop about the syllabus designing, on the electric motor repairing, workshop on the solar panel installation and the maintenance. We are also organizing the guest lecture on sustainable research also. Now recently, we have conducted the national level program on the capacity building programs in physics for the UG, PG and the research students and the faculties. Our department also has conducted the workshop on the robotics and the Arduinos. The conduction of this workshop and the conferences are very useful to our students and the researchers. Simultaneously, our department has organized the science exhibitions also. We have organized the science exhibition on the occasion of the National Day. We have organized the exhibition on the solar equipment also. The best practices conducted by our department. The one of the best practice is the popularization of non-conventional energy sources. Under this best practice, our department is the aim of our department is for the development of energy laboratory, to do the MOUs with the industries and the NGOs, arranging the exhibitions, assigning the project to the UG and the PG student, and visit to the energy labs by the other students also. Our second practice is the Spandan. This practice is related with the physics and technological wallpapers. Now in this best practice, we are displaying the important scientific inventions, articles, the current scientific and the technological issues, and also the environmental issues on our departmental display. Friends, if you will take BSc, if you will take the physics as a principal subject at the TY BSc level, then after the completion of your BSc course in physics, then what will be the career opportunities? Then there are the many career opportunities open for you such as you will become a teacher or the professor, you will become a lab assistant, you will become a lab technician or the supervisor, the consulting physicist, the scientist or the materials science physicist. You will become a data analyst, the lab supervisor, accelerator operator, the technical assistant, the radiologist assistant also. Or you can join for the highest studies such as the MSc degree or the MSc PhD dual degree also. After joining the MSc PhD course, you will become a scientist, or you can give the competitive exams such as the MPSC, UPSC, Bank, Air Force, Army or the Navy. Friends, after the BSc, if you want to join for the higher education in the various reputed autonomous institutes, then in our India, there are the various entrance examinations, such as the joint entrance examination. After completing the joint entrance examination, you will get the admission for the MSc Physics or the joint MSc PhD program, the MSc PhD dual degree in physics, the MSc in applied geophysics, MSc in the astronomy, the joint MSc PhD in atmosphere and the ocean sciences, the joint MSc PhD in the geophysics also, the MSc PhD dual degree in environmental science and the engineering also, or the MSc Tech in applied geophysics also. After completing the National Entrance Screening Test, NEST, you will get the admission for the integrated MSc program in basic sciences such as the physics, chemistry, biology and the mathematics. After completing the joint entrance screening test, that is JEST, you will get the admission for the PhD program in physics, the integrated MSc PhD program, the integrated PhD program or the MSc program in physics. One of the entrance examination conducted by the Orissa University of Agriculture and the Technology, after you will get the admission, the MSc program in physics and the PhD program in physics. The Tata Institute of the Fundamental Research also conduct the entrance examination. After that, you will get the admission for the PhD program in physics or the integrated MSc PhD program. The Indian Institute of the Science Education and the Research, which is known as the ISER, after completing the entrance examination, you will get the admission for the integrated BSc MS in physics, BS or MS in physics, the integrated PhD program or the PhD program in physical sciences. Friends, now in our India, there are the various reputed autonomous institutes. After qualifying the JAM examination, now here in India there are the various autonomous institutes in which the JAM participating they can give the admission on the basis of the JAM entrance examination. Now we know that there are the 20 IITs in our India. Also there is one of the autonomous institute, Jawaharlal Nehru Center for the Advanced Scientific Research, the ISER Bhopal, Pune and the Tirupati. Similarly, Now there are the 22 another institute where you will get the admission after qualifying their entrance examination. After qualifying the entrance examination, there are the various higher education programs in the various autonomous institute. So the friends, if you will take or if you will select physics as a principal subject at the TY level, then there are the number of opportunities for doing the best career in your life. So I hope you will take physics as the principal subject in TYBSc. In our department, and do the best career in your life. Thank you.